Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I hope you all are having a good day so far. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a grocery haul, a Walmart grocery haul, and like a restock of my fridge and pantry. It's a pretty short video, and I totally forgot to do an intro and an outro for this video, so I'm doing this now. I filmed this on 4th of July last week. The day was hectic. It was a holiday. Our house was full of kids. David was home. They were all waiting for me to get finished so that we could go to the pool, but I still wanted to film it because it was a pretty good grocery haul. I got a lot of like great value snacks that I'd never gotten before, and most of them turned out to be very, very good. You know, I'm trying to save money where I can in the summertime chaos of kids just wanting snacks all day long and eating me out of house and home, and groceries are so expensive. So I hope you guys enjoy this one. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're new around here, hit that subscribe button and join my little YouTube fam. I upload 2 times a week, every Monday and Thursday, and it's always like grocery hauls, lifestyle, motherhood, mom life, motivation, just the real life, my real life as a stay-at-home mom to 4 kiddos. But let's get into the grocery haul and then the restocking. And thank you guys again for watching. All right, so I'm going to start with the frozen stuff. I got corn dogs, 2 thin crust pepperoni pizzas, 2 microwavable pepperoni pizzas. These are good for the boys for like lunchtime and stuff, easy dinners. Waffles, cinnamon, French toast sticks, pepperoni, pizza rolls. And I did get a bunch of snacks just because that's what we needed mostly. So I got fudge covered peanut butter, cookies, Nutty Buddies, some Slim Jims, coffee pods, popcorn because the boys been asking for popcorn and I keep forgetting to get it. Some Cheetos, Walmart brand. Breeden. Great value raspberry lemonade drink mix, and I'm going to make this TikTok snack mix, and it's pretzel twists, mini saltines, and extra cheesy Cheez-Its with oil and ranch like seasoning, and then you bake it. So I'm going to make that too. So I got all the stuff for that. Some Walmart brand Pop-Tarts strawberry, some Pringles, but also the Great Value brand again. I got the cheddar cheese and sour cream and onion. I got a lot of Great Value stuff, more than I usually do, just because food's expensive. Some Zesty Ranch veggie sticks, honey buns, a pack of the mini chocolate donuts and mini powdered donuts, baked beans, pasta sauce, granulated sugar for tea, my favorite like microwavable rice, penne pasta for this, some salt and pepper for the new grinders that I got from Temu, a pound of ground beef, whipping cream for coffee and cooking and stuff, coffee creamer. This is my favorite coffee creamer. And then I got some classic caramel syrup, and then some caramel sauce for iced coffees, Danimal smoothies, and then I got butter bread for the boys and I, potato bread for David, bell peppers, we need them every week, sour cream, American cheese from the deli, string cheese. This is buffalo chicken breast for David for lunch, some honey ham, a bag of onions, a bunch of bananas, tomatoes, frozen broccoli, and a tiny watermelon. And then over here, some of the non-food items I got are baby wipes, AAA batteries, and a new plastic shower curtain because ours is falling apart, toilet paper, whole milk, and then I got some drinks, some zero sugar Kool-Aids for Braden and Dalton, some zero sugar root beer, Sam's Cola, and some ramen noodles. And that is everything that we got in this week's grocery haul.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's sad? what's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish he felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him? Oh, 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 oh. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish he felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. He doesn't know my name. Tick tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me. My mind is filled with pictures of when we used to dance, but now I don't know where you are. I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you.